What's good, guys? This video is kind of just talking. I just wanted to yap what's happening right now, like my situation and how everything is going. It's nothing crazy informational. You don't get crazy learnings out of this video. It's just a bit yap right now because I need to step up a bit the content game. Uh, so we scanning right now the supplement brand. We have Polaris. We have the ecom school. Everything went kind of crazy at the beginning. Like we hit our goal so fast. Like our goal was like 10K per month. We hit it in like few days. Like not with the supplement brand, just with like ecom school and Polaris, we just hit that easily. There's so much stress you cannot even think about. Like even if it's a backend system, it's fucking stress. And with the supplement brand, bro, with the manufacturer, it's always stress. I don't know how to keep it up a bit. Um, and my learning now is if you're doing ecom or any business, you need to handle a bit the stress. Like you need to lower yourself down without any drugs. You need to find a method how to get the stress away because, bro, this shit is gonna crush your mental shit. Yeah, but now I'm trying to focus more on everything, make more money, even though it's hard because I go to the gym. I need a bit like a social life. Uh, the last few years I didn't had a social life, like zero. I didn't went outside. I just grinded. Now I need to step up the game again. So it's a bit life maxing. And with the learnings we have with the supplement brand, it's like doing organic is crazy. Like we started the supplement brand with organic, then we went to paid ads and stopped organic, and now we're doing paid ads and organic because organic is so much free money right now. If you don't use organic in any type of business, you're kind of lost. Not gonna lie. Paid ads is always nice because you can scale it crazy, but with organic, you could scale it too. We have many phones, like I have 12 phones, like for just a supplement brand, and there's always a method how to grow organic. Like I think Hicksfield started organically too, like getting to the first million, I think was organic too. Um, Most big brands started organically. Like don't need to have the craziest copywriting skill. It's just an hustle and you need to find one virality shit and just repeat it, and you're gonna make so much money. Yeah, you just need to find one tiny, like, even though you post 10 times a day, 100 times a day, if you found a format that converts crazy, you could burn it out. You could post so much about this format, and that's the thing we're doing right now. We post low-key always the same format and it crushes. It gets so much views. And it's like different game, with like doing paid ads, doing the software, doing the ecom school, doing the group calls. And now I need to do a bit of personal brand shit. So how the fuck can I do this? And I really don't know. Like I'm not this consistent with YouTube right now because we have so much to do. Um, but like for the people that didn't have the first sale, they're like completely beginners. Focus on one thing. Like if you're doing ecom, bro, just focus like at the beginning for organic, or if you say, oh, I want to do paid ads, and focus on like copywriting, understanding why people buy, uh, understanding your avatar. And I think this is like a learning everybody should have. Like, don't focus when you starting out on 8, 9 things because it wouldn't work. But if you're more advanced, I think you could step up a bit the game just to have multiple income like sources. But if you're a complete beginner, fuck no, I would start out with like one main thing and just keep doing it until you got like 20K a month. Because 20K a month is not that hard to hit. And with like organic, it's also not this hard to hit. You just need to find one fucking virality format that crushes, and then you're basically 20K MR if you just spam it. Yeah, now our goals is like going to like 100K a month. This like the goal. Now I'm gonna move out because I live here in my hometown. And yeah, because Germany sucks. Going to Cyprus soon because Cyprus is no close, bro. I taxed it with my tax man with some people in Cyprus, and Bro, in August, Cyprus is closed. I don't know who fucked me, bro. I wanted to go like 2 weeks ago or something, but I cannot go. I cannot get a fucking apartment. I don't know why it's so ass, but yeah, I need to wait a bit so I get my apartment, and I think that's the next move, getting a new apartment in the next country. I'm a bit scared, low key, like going the first time out of my hometown completely alone, but I think it's a good thing. Like, if I see shit, I need to pay something like like crazy money. I'm gonna work so much harder. Um, yeah. So I think my discipline is gonna increase so much from it, even though it's kind of scary, not gonna lie. But fuck it. I think the risk you need to take inside of any business, and I think I'm a good risk taker. Yeah, because fresh 18 and doing the grind, and right now everything works fine. Um, yeah, this video is just yapping. Everything that comes to my mind, I'm just yapping it out. And like for people that want watching it to get value, let me find some sauce I could give you. Um, if you do ecom, do transformational products like visually appealing products. They work easy on organic, and even though they work good at paid ads, like if you could show it and a 5-year-old would understand what it does, then it's low-key perfect. Like there's some hair loss shit that it's really easy to understand. Oh, you get hair if you do this, and it's so visually, and everybody understands it, then it's gonna be good. Like if you have a really complex mechanism behind it, like you have the CBD, GBD, GBD, and it's so complex, and you need to think really about it, even though it works, and you need to think about the mechanism. How the fuck does this even work? But it works. It's not the right mechanism to choose. Like be really simple, be that simple. I think the simpler the better. Like be crazy simple with anything. Like even with the copywriting, like at the beginning I started ecom, I tried to be complex and fucking special, but then I learned like, bro, just have 5th grader English, be completely easy, so a fucking child would understand it, like a dumbest idiot should understand the mechanism, and it should be like crazy believable. And if you do paid ads, you need to know the core beliefs about your fucking avatar and what he believes, and speak about his beliefs, and don't break his core belief. It wouldn't work. Um, yeah, I think this is a crazy learning. Just keep everything simple, even with the slideshows. If you do slideshows right now, because I know many in ecom school doing slideshows right now, don't over complex your mechanism. Don't like, even though on a website some people write in so crazy shit in, like it includes CZ, CBD, TT, and it helps you to increase the, but nobody would understand the shit. So keep it that simple. With slideshows, completely simple. And I think the more simple you are, the better it is. Like this was my testing with the supplement brand, and it worked. And also with Polaris, we're we don't have like a crazy mechanism, but we're gonna make a crazy update. We're gonna do like an AI agent filled with crazy docs inside, and you could generate inside of Polaris crazy things, and it's gonna be fucking special. We're working on that because I'm not the technical guy. I'm just a marketer. Because if you look at me, bro, I'm not I'm not a technical motherfucker, but I'm coming up with crazy ideas, and it's gonna turn out great. We're gonna add so much new things, also like video upscaler, image upscaler, your watermark remover, metadata remover, and all in one. You could just click on it. Like if you're using Polaris, you're gonna love it because it's gonna be crazy. We're also lowering a bit the credit prices because some people said it's so expensive. Even though, bro, it's cheaper than Higgsfield, it's cheaper than Arcets, it's cheaper than Max Fusion or something. Like it's real dead as cheap. It costs basically like the same as like these API shit like Key AI. It's basically the same cost, but you get many other features, and it's like creating ads with Key and creating ads with Polaris. Polaris is the easiest choice because Polaris is filled with docs, and it knows how to write copy, and it knows, oh yeah, you need a villain in the copywriting. Yeah, it needs to be that simple. And if you just connect Polaris with Claude, um, your Claude gets actually smart. Even though I didn't want to talk about Polaris, but Polaris is gonna get a big update. Yeah, man. Maybe I leaked something. Maybe my technical guy didn't like it that I leaked something, but it's gonna be crazy. And yeah, the biggest learning, just be simple, work more. Like, oh my God, I saw a guy, he's making so much money than me. Even though I'm 18 now, I think I make good, a decent amount of money. But bro, he's kind of my age. He makes so much more money, and he's not even better than me. He just has more input. Like, he works 30 times more than me, 40 times more than me. I think this is the reason, because he's kind of correct in this head. He's like a bro. He's for real the goat. And I think this is like the thing I need to focus more, is work more and more efficient, because right now we have good systems behind it, but you could improve it. And with like ecom school, we need to do more calls, make it more active, because we try to do like a group call every 3 days. Um, but we want to do more. We want to be like, we want to have everything great, even though it's gonna be hard. But oh, fuck it, like it's gonna be great. Like, why not? And yeah, I think this was just a yapper video. I don't know if I should do more of these, because I just wanted to yap, and maybe you got some learnings out of it. And if not, bro, okay, I don't care. So yeah.